Good morning and welcome to Robinhood Dividends, the During the Day series, where I show you some of the highlights from earlier today when the market was open. So let's see how the portfolio is doing today. So we're just starting into pre-market and it's taken a little bit of a dive, and you can see here it's mostly from Ford and Johnson & Johnson a little bit, and just pretty much more anything that's moving is pretty much dropping this morning in pre-market. Everybody's selling off, I guess. I just wanted to touch in before the actual open of the market, and we'll see if maybe I can get rid of it during the pre-market, but I have a feeling I probably won't. I wanted to go ahead and put in my sell order for Hershey, where I've captured the dividend already this morning. Go ahead and put in my limit sell, 107.76. And we'll have to wait and see. I might not be able to quite get this price. I might have to come in and adjust it once the market opens. I'll scoot that over just a little bit. There we go. And go ahead and put in that sell order. Wait for the order received. And the order's been placed. So there. Best case scenario, if I can actually get this price for it, it's looking like a good profit, about $1.44, and that's not including the dividend. So it should be looking pretty good. I'll catch back up with you probably a little after the market opens. Hey again, everybody. Looks like we're still trying to dig out of the negative from pre-market. Go ahead and switch back to last price. Hershey unfortunately fell past what I tried to sell it for. Well, I'm going to wait and see if it'll come back, because I'm actually below my average cost at this point. Main Street Capital still about $1 down. Ford's climbed up a little bit more today. It's about 2 cents off of my average cost price. I'd really like to hold on to it and sell it at 11. The way the automotive industry has gone, though, lately, I may just jump out of it just to get those funds back. We'll have to wait and see. I haven't quite decided yet. Johnson & Johnson dropped a little. I'm still above my average cost by a pretty significant amount, so it should be alright. We'll have to see how it plays out for tomorrow. I would like to think that you'd actually see more buying today for anybody actually trying to go ahead and capture that dividend. So we'll have to wait and see on that. And PSEC had a little bit of a spike this morning, but pretty much dropped right back down to where it was. If I can get a little more funds from some different stuff today, I might try and average down a little bit more. And Discover's right back to where I bought it. And I guess that's about it. I'll check back in with you in a little bit. Hey, just wanted to pop back in. Been building a shed out behind the house, trying to get ready for winter, and just wanted to check on the stocks, and it looks like the portfolio is back in the green today, up about 1450 just as I talk. And we'll go check in, see how our main stocks are doing. Looks like Hershey's coming back. Still needs to come back a little bit further though before I can get rid of it. Main Street Capital's made a bit of a jump. And Ford's coming back. It's actually above my average price right now. I was awful tempted to sell it, but I think I'm going to hold on for a bit and see if it can't go a little further. Like I said, I'm really hoping for 11 before I get rid of it. Of course, now it's back down to 1070. Oh, hey, and back again. We can do that all day. And Johnson & Johnson, I'm still up on from my original price, so I'll count that good. And hopefully we can make it till tomorrow. But alright, I'll see you in a bit. Hey, it's almost lunchtime. Went ahead and sold 86 shares of Ford. That way I've got about $925 to go reinvest in something else. And I'm going to go ahead and put that into Dunkin'. It's actually almost $1 lower than it opened this morning, so that should be a pretty decent buy. Go ahead and throw in a limit order for 52.61. Go ahead, can I get 18? Nope, I can't quite get 18. I'll go with 17. There we go. See if it takes right off here. Yeah, order complete. And there. So we are now all set for catching the Dunkin's dividend for tomorrow. Alright, catch you in a bit. Hey, so it's almost 3 o'clock and we're up a little over $20 today. Dunkin's has done ridiculously well. Up, well, it was almost $8. It dropped back a little bit. Hershey's almost come back. We might be able to get rid of it today. We might not. Have to wait and see. Maine is still quite low, and so is PSEC. I have to look. PSEC might even... Yeah, it's come up a little, but not a lot. And as I mentioned before, I was able to get out of Ford. But that's about it for now. I just wanted to check in again, let you know that it's almost 20. It was over. Not so much anymore. Yep, back in a bit. Hey everybody, it's almost 4 o'clock and Hershey's actually above right now. It's not much, but I think I'm going to go ahead and try and take it. See what I can get for it. So I'm going to go ahead and put in for 107.44 and hope for some profit. And we'll just have to wait and see what happens. So there, it's placed. We'll have to wait and see if anybody will bite on that. Very tempted to sell Dunkin' today just to get the $10 in profit. It's ridiculous how, but that's how it goes because everybody's trying to grab the ex-dividend. Hopefully I can get out ahead come tomorrow morning. Almost up over $1 a share. Other than that, not a whole lot to speak of. PSEC and Maine are still down more than anybody could imagine, but I'll check in when the market closes and we'll see what's going on from there. And again, I'm about, oh, look at that, it did close. So we are in after hours trading now. And if anything changes, I'll update this. Otherwise than that, this will probably be the last one. So with that, I'll end the video here. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you really liked it, go ahead and share. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. If you haven't seen my latest video, check it out right there. Or one of my other videos over here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.